Hello, my name is Krishnavita with student number F102121211023. At this moment, I will present my final project for ICT of EFL about my exploration of English learning and teaching resources. The resources that I will recommend are based on grouping of listening, speaking, reading, writing, Android-based application, and YouTube channels. The first English learning resource for listening that I would recommend is Daily Dictation. Daily Dictation is a web-based resource that contains hundreds of dictation exercises to help English learners practice easily and improve quickly. The creator of this website is Huy Nguyen from Vietnam. He has been studying English for more than 5 years. In this resource, we can find more 350 exercises that are divided into different topics, such as general English, IELTS listening, English conversation, spelling names, and numbers. This resource is good for learning listening English because this resource provides English listening materials with a dictation method, which makes people learn listening English while writing down what they hear. Here's the example of the use of this resource. We can get immediate feedback on whether what we type is correct or not. I think by using this method, it is solely us to focus on every detail because typing what we hear helps us not only become better at listening, but also pronunciation, spelling, and writing. The second English learning resource that I would recommend is Forvo for Learn Speaking English. Forvo is a web-based resource that allows access to and playback of pronunciation sound clips in many different languages in an attempt to facilitate the learning of languages. Forvo was first envisioned in 2007 by SEO founder Israel Rondon and came to Foyton in 2008. Forvo is owned by Forvo Media SL based in San Sebastian, Spain. Forvo provides pronunciation sound clips in many different languages, articles, trending word pronunciation guides, and many more. Forvo also provides pronunciation sound clips in many different accents. This resource is good for learning to speak English because this resource provides a lot of pronunciation words correctly in many different languages, which makes it easier for people who learn a new language and want to pronounce words correctly. There are also a lot of words recommendations. This resource is good for learning to speak English because this resource provides a lot of pronunciation words correctly in many different languages, which makes it easier for people who learn a new language and want to pronounce words correctly. There are also a lot of words recommendations that are currently trending. The third English learning resource that I would recommend is Etim Online Dictionary for Learn to Reading English. Etim Online Dictionary is the internet's go-to resource for quick and reliable accounts of the origin and history of English words. This resource shows the origin and history of English words. This resource is good for learning reading because the resource provides explanation of what our words mean and how they sound 600 or 2000 years ago. Here's the example of the use of this resource. It makes us easily to understand the meaning of the given word and decide which word better to choose. Ginger Grammar Checker is a resource that provides a grammar checker that helps its users write and efficiently correct text. Ginger's grammar check software improves its user text just like a human reviewer would. Ginger uses groundbreaking technology to detect grammar and spelling errors in sentences and correct them with image accuracy. This resource contains grammar checker, sentence repress, translations, punctuation checker, spell checker, personal trainer, online proofreading, essay checker, grammar rules, and many more. This resource is good for This resource is good for learning writing because it helps to write efficiently correct text. This resource helps to correct grammar mistakes, spelling mistakes, and misused words with unmatched accuracy. Here's the example of use this resource. It is also really easy to use because we just need to write or copy paste our writing in the text box and we will get immediate feedback on our writing by seeing the bottom line in our text. It shows the difference between success and failure of our words, so we can avoid writing errors and get a better result in writing English. Cake Application is an English learning application where users can improve their English skills with free videos and audio content updated daily. Cake Applications offer to learn English with expression extracted from short videos. This application offers practice speaking. The principles consist in listening to the sentence and repeating it while recording. Cake Application was founded on 22 March 2019 by Cake Corp. Currently, Cake Application is used by more than 100 million people around the world. This application contains learning real English from videos, learning real native English, speaking step by step, daily expression clips, original lecturer, classes, quizzes, today's conversations, daily sentences, and words. This Android-based application is really good for learning English because this application is designed to be easy to use and there are so many English lessons and exercises that can help the users to improve their English skills. The application has an AI-powered tutor that will help its users practice speaking skills. This application listens to our pronunciations and tells us when it's good. The concept of this application is very interesting and allows users to progress quickly. Also, there are some vocabularies update and conversations. Jennifer ESL is a YouTube channel that provides contents that help learners communicate more confidently and effectively in English. This channel was founded by Jennifer, who already provides many English learning content in her YouTube since July 2007. This channel teaches American English and all the material supports both students and teachers. This channel posts a new English learning video every Thursday. This channel contains a lot of content with target skills and topics for listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, pronunciation, vocabularies, and American culture, and many more. In these channels, we can find various subjects at different levels like beginner and advanced English, pronunciation, various grammar, vocabulary, writing, pronunciation, slang, language notes, and many more. There are also some individual lessons that help learners to improve their English skills. The explanation in the videos are very clear and easy to understand. That's all for my explorations and review of some English learning resources. Thank you.